Okay, guys, let's start. As I said before, that's part 2 of our lesson 7.6, and this part is about writing a fraction greater than 1 as a mixed number. Okay, so we're gonna write fraction greater than 1 as a mixed number. Okay, so if we have 7/3, how can we write it as a mixed number? Okay, let's model it. Okay, we can model it like that, or we can write it as a sum of unit fraction, as we started before, a sum of unit fraction. So 7/3 equals 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. So we're gonna use 1/3 7 times, as you see here. Okay, as we all said before. Hussein Kamal, said properly, please. Where's your book, Hussein? Okay, did you write that? Thank you. Okay, pay attention, please. So after that, when we convert it into a mixed number, so we have how many 1/3 to give it 1? We have 3, so we're gonna take 3 unit fractions to convert it into 1. So every 3 unit fractions equal 1 because we have 3 in the denominator. So we're gonna take every 3 unit fractions and convert it into 1. And the other 3 fractions, we're gonna convert it into 1 again. And we have 1/3 left. Okay, now after that we have 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 1/3, put it as the same. So now we can say 7/3 equals 2 and 1/3 as a mixed number. Okay, that's how to convert a fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. Okay, so first of all, you have to write it as a sum of unit fractions, and then we're gonna take, according to the denominator, we're gonna take the number of unit fractions to convert it into 1. Okay? Okay, write this. You have 1 minute to complete it, and then we're gonna move to the next page. Okay, we solved yesterday number 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're gonna solve number 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Okay, I will tell you another way to write it in an easy way. If you don't have to, so you don't have to write a unit fraction, all 11 unit fraction here. So firstly, who can tell me what is the closest number in table 4 to 11? So we're gonna search for the closest number in table 4 to 11. Okay, let's see. 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. But we can't take 12 because we all know that we can't take a number greater than 11. So we can't take 12. So we're gonna take the 4 or the 2. So in this case, we're gonna put 2 here. Okay, and then we're gonna put 4 here. So all we have to do, we're gonna put 2 in the whole number, and we all know that we're gonna put the same denominator, which is 4. Okay, after that we have here 8, right? So how many left from 11? We have 8, and we want how many left from 11 here? 3, right? So we're gonna write 3 here. So we converted it from a fraction to a mixed number. Again, I will repeat it in number 6. Okay, number 6. 6 over 5, we want to convert it into a mixed number. So what we're gonna do, firstly, we search for 6 in multiplication table of 5. Let's search for it. So 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Can we write it as 10? We can't, right? Because 10 is greater than 6. We can't take it. So don't take it. We're going to take the number before, which is 5. So we're going to put 1 at the whole number and put the 5 at the same, the denominator. And how many left from 6 here? We have 5. How many left from 6? 1, only 1. So we're going to put 1 here. So that's our mixed number. Okay, who can answer me with number 7? Okay, Ali Nabil Miseri.
We want how much
Okay, wait
we know
because
how
Hussein Al Ahmad just joined us. So
okay.
Hussein Al Ahmad is here. Yes, sorry for interruption. Come on.
Now we want to say which number is give us 13 in the multiplication of 10.
10. Okay, let's try the multiplication of 10. 10 multiplied by 1 equals 10.
10
10
and 10
multiplied by
multiplied
2 equals 20. Can we take 20?
no, because it's bigger. So
So we're
we'll
gonna
take
take
the 10.
the 10. So what we're gonna put in the whole number?
No, we will take the 1.
We're gonna take the 1. So we're gonna put here 1. And what the denominator?
10.
10. And what here? What's here in the numerator up the
3
in the top on the top here?
because 10 plus 3 equals 13.
Yeah, so we're gonna ask ourselves, we have 10 here and we have 13. So subtract them. So 13 minus 10 equals 3.
3.
So that's our answer. So the answer will be 1 and 3 over 10. Thank you so much, Ali Nabil Misir. You're genius.
Welcome.
Okay, let's move to number 11. Number 11, Rakan, can you help number 11? Okay,
Yes.
let's rewrite it. So we have 13 over 7. So what we're gonna do here to convert it into a mixed number?
Yes. We 7 multiply 1 equals 7. 7
Yes.
plus
7 multiplied 1 equals 7. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. Can we take it?
no.
No, so we're gonna take the 7, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put the 1 at the whole number, right?
Yeah.
And
Down is 7.
down is 7 because we have to put the same denominator. And what about up here? You have to
6.
subtract 13 minus 7, right? Because we have here 7. So you have to subtract 13 minus 7 to get the answer. The answer.
6. 6.
6. Okay. So the answer here equals 6. So it will be 1 and 6 over 7. Okay, think about number 12 and number 13. I'll back to you in a minute. Okay, guys, let's continue. I see Muhammad al-Baqshi.
Yes.
Can you help Muhammad with number 12?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here 23 over 6, or we want to
Yeah.
convert it into a mixed number.
Okay. We will see 23 if it's in
Equals 6?
the 6 multiply 1 equals 6.
Yes.
6 multiplies 2 equals 12.
Yeah.
6 multiplies 3 equals 18.
Yes.
And 6 multiplies 4 equals 24.
Yes. Can we take 24?
No, we cannot take 24 because it's bigger than 23.
So we're gonna take 18, right?
18.
So
Yeah.
we're gonna use 3 or 6 as a whole number.
3.
3. So we're gonna put 3 here. And what the denominator?
The denominator is 5 over 6.
So 6 here, right?
6,
And here
yeah.
5.
And here 5.
Okay, thank you so much, Muhammad al-Baqshi. Great job, man.
You're welcome.
Okay, the next one. The Lord of Math. My Lord.
Hi.
Hi, Faisal. How are you? Okay, can you help with the next one, number 13?
Yes.
Okay, so 57 over 11. So what we're gonna do here?
We're gonna check the multiplication table of 11.
Okay,
And
11 multiplied by 1 equals 11. 11 by 2 equals what?
22.
22. 11 multiplied by 3.
33.
11 multiplied by 4.
44.
11 multiplied by 5.
55.
11 multiplied by 6.
66.
Can we take it?
No, because 66 is bigger than 57.
You're
So we're
great.
gonna take
So we're gonna take the number before. So we're gonna use what as a whole number?
number 5.
5 as a whole number. Yes. And what's the denominator?
The denominator is 11.
11. And what about the numerator? So you have to subtract what minus what to get the numerator, the upper part. Yes, Faisal, are you still there?
Yes.
So you have to subtract what and what to get the answer up here. You have to subtract this two. Okay? We're going to subtract 57 and 55 to get the number up here.
57 minus 55 equals 2.
2. So the answer is 5 and 2 over 11. Thank you, Faisal. Great job, man. Okay, the next one, I will give you an example and you will help me to solve it. Okay. What about Yazan? Yazan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so how can we solve that? 32 over 5. We want to write it as a mixed number.
Next.
Yes. How can we
Okay.
write 32 over 5 as a mixed number?
Okay. First, we had what? First, we see 5.
What?
It is in.
Raise your voice, please. I can't hear you well.
Okay. Wait. Like this.
Yes, right.
First, we see 5. If it is in the multiplication of 32.
Yes, so I'm gonna multiply by 5 by 1
Multiply
equals
1
5,
equals
5 by 2,
5, and 5 multiplied 2 equals 10, and 5 multiplied 3 equals 20, and 15, and 5 multiplied 4 equals 20, and 5 multiplied 5 equals 25. We cannot.
Hey, 32. We didn't reach it yet.
Yeah. 5 multiplied 6 is 13, and 5 multiplied 7 it is 35.
Yes,
35. We cannot take 35 because it's bigger than 32, so we're gonna take 30.
yes.
So we minus 30 minus 32. It will.
But first, before that step, you have to write something. We're
We
gonna
put the
take the 6 as a whole number here, okay?
yeah.
And what is the denominator?
The denominator is 5.
5. And according to what we have here, we're gonna write the numerator. So you have to subtract what minus what?
30 minus 32, so it's equals 2.
Equals 2. So the answer is 6 and 2 over 5.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you. Okay. What about القرار? قرار, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one?
Yeah.
If we have 20.
Mister, I will not put the multiplication because I know it.
What?
I will not put the multiplication in the right because I know.
Okay. So 25 over 7. Yes.
25 over 7. It will be 7, 3 because 7
3.
multiplied 3 is 21.
Excellent.
Yeah. Then we put 7 down
Yes.
and 4 up.
4. You are
Numerator.
genius. You are so good, man. Thank you so much for that. Okay. What about Muhammad Ali al-Dijani, the calculator of math, right? But I need the mind of math, the mind. I don't like the calculator, by the way, because it make the brain stop. Okay, I usually use my brain, so you can name yourself like the brain of math. Okay, so let's see if we have 15 over 2. Yes,
15 over 2, it will be 7.
7. Excellent. So we're gonna write it as 7. And what is the denominator?
1 over 2.
2. You are genius. You are so genius. Thank you so much, my dear. Okay. What about Faisal Hamoud? Faisal Hamoud, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have 20 over 9.
Okay. So first we search the multiplication table of 9.
Yes.
9 multiplied by 1 is 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. But that's more than 20, so we can't take 27. So we'll take 18.
Yes. So we're gonna write what here?
So we're gonna write it's 9 for the denominator, and then for the whole number we're gonna write 2.
Excellent. And for the numerator up here?
For the numerator is 2.
2. So our answer is 2 and 2 over 9. Okay, guys, that's our lesson for today. It's very easy, it's very simple. So, thank you, guys. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye.